I want to write these things down before we forget. We're going to call these different directions. Can you say directions? Okay, directions is where is my body directed? Where is it going? What was the first thing we did? What is over. And I'm going to draw a little picture going over. We went over. What was the second one we did?
Under.
Under. That's another choice we can make. What kinds of things go over? What kinds of things go over, Julian? Yeah? Caves can go over. What else can go over? Yeah. A table can go over. Very good, Jamar. What else can go over? A chair can go over. What about living things? Any living things that can go over? Elizabeth? A house? A bed? A light? What about any things that are alive that can go over? We can go over. What else, Uriel? What else can go over that's alive? That can go over. What kind of an animal can go over? A giraffe can go over. Yeah? What else? A leopard. And what could it be going over? Maybe over the table. So we're thinking about possibilities because remember, we're going to make a story about something in the end of this. And so we want to think of, well, what are the possibilities? Why would we want to go over something? Why would we want to go under something? Okay, as a dancer, we want to tell a story, and maybe we want to use that for something. Did you have an idea? Yeah. Over the moon. So if I want to say, I'm going to tell a story about something going over the moon. Maybe what can go over the moon? A rocket ship. And I want to make the dance about going over the moon. Or an airplane. Absolutely. There's a lot of possibilities for over. A helicopter can go over. I like the a rocket ship over the moon. I might draw that picture to help me remember. The moon and the rocket ship going over. I like that. What about under? What kinds of things go under? We just did under. What do you think goes under? The ground. Yeah. What kinds of things go under, Julian? A worm goes under. I like that. Little worm going under the ground. He makes a little tunnel under the ground. Very cool. Claudio.
Floor.
The floor. And so what's under the floor? Wood, dirt. Okay, we're thinking. I like the way you're thinking. The other thing we did was forward and back. Remember that? We went forward. This is my body. And I'm going forward. Or I can choose to go back. Backward. What kinds of things can you think of that might go back? What kinds of things might go back? What kinds of things might go forward? Think about it. Yulisa. A car might go forward. And it might go backwards, depending on what it wants to do. A person when they're walking, perhaps, yes? A bike might go forward. I like those ideas. So I might draw some pictures for myself. I like the bike idea. Maybe I'm driving forward with my bicycle. Maybe I'm going backward with my car.
Motorcycle.
We also did in between. That's a really long word. In, 2 words. Between. In between, I was looking for places where somebody was or somebody wasn't. What was I looking for? Was I looking to go where other dancers were?
No.
I was looking for places where there was what? Emptiness, right? Or space. So I'm going to draw a picture of dancers. These are you guys, dancers. And we're going to look for places where nobody is. In between. What kinds of things can we go in between, or can you think of going in between? On your way here, did you go in between anything?
Between the grass,
Yeah?
bushes.
You went between the bushes? Did anybody else go in between? Eimer, did you go in between anything? Julissa, did you go in between anything?
I went in between my two sisters.
You went in between your two sisters. And were you guys trying to get on top of each other, or were you trying to find your space?
I was trying to find my
Yes, absolutely. We definitely need to move in between our siblings. Okay, and we had two more ideas. We did towards, towards, or another way of saying that was saying closer, closer together. So if you are here, and your friend dancer is here, we were trying to go closer together. What kinds of things go closer together? What kinds of things do we see that go close to, that like to go close together? I like that Julian is thinking a lot. I'm wondering, anybody else thinking, Miguel, what kinds of things go together? Go close together. Think about it. Use your imaginations. Idais, what goes close together? Magnets. I like that. I like that. Magnets go close together. Who knows about magnets? Anybody look at magnets here in the class, in your science? Do they go too close together?
Yeah.
How do I say your name?
Analia.
Analia. How do they go close together? Do they pull close together?
Yeah.
Yeah? They attract to each other? What do we also call the opposite of that when we go away, 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 or apart? The opposite. So here I am with my friend, and I want to go away from them. Maybe we finished playing and we want to go away from each other. We have to go home. We don't live together. Okay? Lisbeth? Say it again. Windows. What do you mean by that? Windows go together. I like the way you're thinking. I like the way you're thinking. When you want to close a window, you put it together. Well, we're going to try all of these things with partners today. We're going to try them. And, you know, there's one more that I didn't put here, but I really love, and I'll show it to you. It looks like this. It looks like this, and I need another partner for me to show. Somebody who I haven't heard from. Eimer, come on up. See if they can guess this one. Okay. Can you hop around me? I'm going to stay in one place. However you want, but around. Okay. Okay, go. But around me. In a circle. Yeah, go ahead.
Walking around. Looking around you.
He's walking around me. He can walk around me. He can jump around me. He can fly around me. He can do a lot of things around me. But that's another choice we can make.